Grab a kid and I'll show you how to make this easy lion painting using a toilet paper roll. This is my canvas paper that I am putting my paint on. You're welcome to put your paint on a paper plate or anything else you have. You'll need 2 different colors for the lion's mane and then 1 color for the lion's rosy cheeks. Grabbing my cardboard roll, I don't need it this big, so I'm going to cut it just to a couple inches. And then at the bottom, I am going to cut slits all the way around. Once you go all the way around, go ahead and flare out those new cut slits. You can push it down on your paper to help it come out evenly. And then you'll use this as a stamp. So you put it directly into your acrylic paint. And find a place on your paper where you want to put the first one down and just stamp it on. On this first lion, I used my fingers to push the slits down even more, but I found that wasn't necessary and liked the look of the lions where I did not do this. Go ahead and keep stamping a few more lions, grabbing more paint if needed. Now I'm taking the cardboard stamp and putting it in the second color for the lion's mane. And just stamp it directly on top of what we've already laid down. Grabbing my thin paintbrush, I am getting that yellow color and drawing a big upside down U on the lower half of the face. Using our Q-tips for the first time, I am dipping it in that pink color and putting this on the sides of the lion's face for its rosy cheeks. Now flipping our Q-tip to the other side, I am taking that wet paint in the lion's mane and just swirling the paint around to make a little circle to represent the ears. Let's grab our thin marker or pen. I have a micro pen and I'm going to do the eyes. Get creative here. The eyes can be open or closed, have eyelashes. The nose is going to be an upside down soft triangle without those harsh points. And color that in. Here you'll draw the letter J. And then a backwards J for the mouth with whiskers coming out the side. My lions are done, but I want to add a little bit more interest to the painting. So I'm going to do some polka dots with my Q-tip. Grab any color you want. I'm just going to grab that yellow and some of the orange color mixed together and draw polka dots all around the page. And then I'll grab my thin paintbrush again and do even smaller polka dots, just to give it a little bit more interest. And there it is, the simplest little lion painting to do with your kid. Bye!